Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. So thank you so much for clicking on the video today, guys. Thank you so much. I absolutely appreciate it and I appreciate you. So today in this video, I am going to be making two Christmas ornament displays. I'm going to be using some glass bubble bowls. One I picked up from my discount store and the other one I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So these are going to be easy to make and they're going to be kind of fast as well. If you see something in this video that I didn't mention, definitely guys, you know you can ask me and I'll answer you as fast as I can. So anyway, I'm going to get started. So to begin, I'm going to use my Aleene's Clear Gel Tacky Glue. This is my favorite glue to use, guys. You can use any glue that you want to use. I'm going to put a little bit in this larger bowl. I'm going to be working with the larger bowl mostly today just to show you the process, but both displays are going to be done exactly the same. The smaller one is going to be in a different color. And I'm going to use a little bit of water. I'm going to use my spray bottle today only because I don't have a little bit of water nearby. So I'm going to spray that in and then I'm going to add the glitter. The silver glitter is extra fine glitter and I picked that up from Amazon. All right, guys, so to show you if I have enough glitter in the vase, I like to use my light. This is a tap light, and the tap light is going to ensure me that I'm going to have some light coming through once the project is finished. So I am going to use fairy lights at the end of the project, but this tap light is a good indication that this is enough glitter. So now I'm going to start on the smaller vase and I am going to show you me applying the glitter because I want you to see how beautiful this pink glitter is. It's pink and it has flecks of green glitter. This is really, really pretty, guys. This color is so pretty and it's going to look pretty once I apply it to the inside of the vase. So here they both go, guys. Both of these vases are absolutely beautiful. They're partially dry and I just wanted you to see how they looked. So before I begin adding any decoration, I'm going to clean off the outside because it does feel sticky and I want it to feel nice and smooth so that my decoration can stick. So I am going to be using the silver and clear and frosted colored beads. I am going to start by applying some of this thick glitter trim that I picked up from Amazon. But I'm going to cut this one down into some smaller sections because I want to apply a star pattern on the top. This is a ornament top. It doesn't have the hook on it. This is going to come in really handy today as my top for the ornament. And I'm going to use a white pipe cleaner as my hook. I'm going to hot glue that to the top. So guys, look how beautiful the silver one came out. It's absolutely lovely. I love the way this looks. So now I'm going to start on the pink one. So very quickly guys, I do not have any pink trim. So I'm going to create that star pattern that I did on the silver one, and I'm going to do that by using a little bit of hot glue and some of this beautiful chunky gold pink glitter, and it's going to do really well as trim. And that's it, guys. I'm going to brush off some of the glue strings along the side and along the pearls. And that's what that looks like, guys. That came out absolutely beautiful. I love the way that looks. So guys, both projects came out absolutely beautiful. I love the way they look. Let me know what you think. And I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it, and I appreciate you. And guys, you be well, be safe, and be blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.